So this is what I've got in the way of rose petals that I've dried for making the jelly today. I don't know, there's just a few blue butterfly peas to approximately 8 cups of rose petals. So that means I'm doing a quadruple batch. My recipe doesn't make very much anyway, but yeah, there it is. So this is what it looks like after steeping in 8 cups of water for 10 minutes. When I made it last year, my notes said I really needed a high ratio of rose petals to liquid to have a more intense rose flavor. So 8 cups of petals approximately to 8 cups of water. And then there's going to be 8 cups of sugar as well. When I'm straining these out, I'm going to squeeze the liquid out. I'm not working with a tripod today, so I'm having to hold this by hand, but yeah, I'll just kind of push this and save as much of the liquid as I possibly can into the pot. So that is my strained and pressed petals. Yes, I pressed them again in this bigger colander. I didn't want to lose any of this beautiful rose and butterfly flower tea. Okay, I might have chosen a pot that's too big because now I've got all the petals out. It's not very deep, but I also still have to add 8 cups of sugar to this. But here comes the fun part, adding the lemon juice. It should brighten the color a bit, send it more. Oh, I've got a rose petal in there. Let's fish that out, but it's still a pretty dark color. I think I'm pretty excited about it. So now I'm going to add the pectin. This is enough liquid for about a double batch. So using the equivalent of 2 packages of pectin. Since I buy mine in bulk, I have got 3.5 ounces. Just stir it until it is fully dissolved. And now it's the 8 cups of sugar. And we have to stir this until it is fully dissolved. It is starting to look more red than purple. I am loving how dark this color is, though. I'm hoping that means we're going to have a very intense flavor. So once the sugar is dissolved, you bring the pot back up to a boil and boil for 1 minute. And then I'll ladle into the jars. These turned out to be so pretty. I really love this rich color that the butterfly pea flower added. I ended up with 10 8-ounce jars and 5 4-ounce jars. These will be Christmas gifts if my wife doesn't eat them all. If you're enjoying seeing me cooking from the garden, please like and subscribe. We will have more of these garden to table videos. Thank you.